The Volvo XC40 is a striking blend of bold design, intelligent functionality, and Scandinavian minimalism, crafted for those who appreciate both style and substance. From the first glance, the XC40 captivates with its muscular stance and geometric precision. The compact proportions give it an agile presence, perfect for urban adventures, yet its high ground clearance and sculpted wheel arches hint at its rugged capability. At the front, the signature Volvo grille, finished in gloss black or chrome, sits proudly between Thor's hammer-LED headlights, a distinctive Volvo trademark that enhances both aesthetics and visibility. The clean, chiseled lines flow effortlessly from hood to tail, creating a dynamic and youthful look. On the side, a rising beltline and strong shoulder lines create a sense of motion, even when the car is still. The floating roof, available in contrasting black or white, adds a contemporary touch, visually extending the XC40's profile. Large 18 to 21-inch alloy wheels, with intricate spoke designs, emphasize its athletic stance. At the rear, the C-shaped LED taillights frame the sculpted tailgate, a nod to Volvo's design heritage. The clean, uncluttered rear bumper and integrated skid plates give the XC40 a refined yet sporty finish. Step inside, and you're welcomed by a calm, beautifully crafted cabin, where every detail is designed with purpose. The dashboard follows Volvo's signature horizontal layout, giving a wide, open feel. A 9-inch vertically oriented touchscreen, seamlessly integrated into the center console, becomes the heart of the cabin, offering a clean, button-free experience. The 12.3-inch digital driver display ensures that essential information is always within view. Materials are carefully selected to feel premium yet practical. The standard upholstery includes high-quality textile blends, while Napa leather and sustainable wool options provide a luxurious alternative. The dashboard and door trims feature elegant aluminum inlays, driftwood finishes, or urban grid textures, adding depth and character. But the XC40 isn't just about looks, it's about intelligent design that enhances everyday life. Volvo has reimagined storage solutions to make the most of every inch. Extra-large door pockets, made possible by removing traditional speakers and replacing them with a frame-mounted air woofer, can easily hold a laptop, water bottles, or even a handbag. A hidden storage compartment under the front seats provides a discreet space for valuables. A removable trash bin in the center console keeps the cabin tidy. The cargo area is one of the most versatile in its class, with a foldable load floor that doubles as a shopping bag holder and adjustable dividers to keep items secure. The rear seats fold flat at the press of a button, creating a completely level loading surface. Light plays a crucial role in Scandinavian design, and the XC40 embraces this with a large panoramic sunroof, flooding the cabin with natural light. At night, customizable ambient lighting highlights key design elements, creating a warm, inviting atmosphere. Seating is designed for comfort, with ergonomically sculpted front seats offering ample support, while rear passengers enjoy generous legroom and a reclined seat angle for relaxed travel. The Volvo XC40 isn't just beautifully designed, it's designed for real life, practical, stylish, and unmistakably Volvo.